Hi dear students, welcome to you in our YouTube channel CMS Trust Education. As you know, I will teach you English grammar. The topic of today is voice. Voice को हिंदी में कहते हैं वाच्य. First of all, I will define what is voice. सबसे पहले मैं परिभाषित करूँगा कि आखिर वाच्य कहते किसे हैं. As you can see on your whiteboard, the definition: voice tells us that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something or has something done to it. वाच्य हमें बताता है कि कोई कार्य सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा किया जाता है अथवा किसी के द्वारा किए गए कार्य का प्रभाव सब्जेक्ट पर पड़ता है. Voice tells us that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something or has something done to it. Means वाच्य हमें बताता है कि कोई कार्यकर्ता द्वारा किया जाता है अथवा किसी के द्वारा किए गए कार्य का प्रभाव कर्ता पर पड़ता है. वॉइस दो प्रकार के होते हैं, एक्टिव वॉइस, पैसिव वॉइस. एक्टिव वॉइस को हिंदी में कहते हैं कृतवाच्य. पैसिव वॉइस को क्या कहते हैं? कर्मवाच्य. कृतवाच्य क्या होता है? व्हाट इज एन एक्टिव वॉइस? ए वर्ब इज इन एक्टिव वॉइस व्हेन इट्स फॉर्म शोज दैट द पर्सन और थिंग डिनोटेड बाय द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग. क्रिया का वह रूप जो हमें बताता है कि कोई कार्यकर्ता द्वारा किया जाता है कृतवाच्य या एक्टिव वॉइस कहलाता है. What is passive voice? First of all, I will define it also. A verb is in passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. Means क्रिया का वह रूप जो हमें दिखाता है कि कर्ता कार्य नहीं करता है बल्कि किसी के द्वारा किए गए कार्य का प्रभाव कर्ता पर पड़ता है, तो क्या कहलाता है? पैसिव वॉइस. अब हम कैसे एक्टिव वॉइस को पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करते हैं? हाउ टू चेंज एक्टिव वॉइस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई विल टेल यू सम पॉइंट्स दैट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स शुड रिमेंबर बिफोर दे आर टू चेंज एक्टिव वॉइस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई वांट टू टेल you that often only transitive verb can be changed into passive voice. Means सकर्मक क्रिया जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट हो प्रायः उसी को हम पैसिव वॉइस में बदलते हैं. सेकेंड पॉइंट, ओनली 8 टेंसेस कैन बी चेंज इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. केवल 8 टेंस को हम पैसिव वॉइस में बदलते हैं. आप एज यू नो दैट देयर आर 12 टेंसेस. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि केवल टोटल 12 टेंस होते हैं, 12 टेंस. वी डोंट चेंज 4 टेंसेस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस, such as you can see on your whiteboard: present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous and future continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. Next point, we often use third form of the verb in passive voice. Means पैसिव वॉइस में हम प्रायः वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म का ही प्रयोग करते हैं. आफ्टर इट I will start to telling you from present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. What is the sentence structure or pattern in present indefinite tense? How do we write a sentence in present indefinite tense? We write, for example, you can see a sentence: Raman writes a letter. This sentence is in active voice. Is in active voice because particular person Raman, which subject does work. What is the structure? Subject plus first form of the verb plus yes or es plus object. When we are to change into passive voice, what we are to do? First of all, we are to write object. Object will be changed into subject. Object को हम क्या करते हैं? Subject बनाते हैं. A letter and we use the auxiliary of present continuous. You should remember that when we change indefinite tense into passive voice, then we use the auxiliary of continuous tense. When we use continuous tense into passive voice, then we use the auxiliary of continuous tense, and after it being is also used. When we change perfect tense into passive voice, then we use the auxiliary of perfect tense and we use been also with it. What we have to do? A letter. The auxiliary of present continuous is AMR. A letter is singular, so here we use is. A letter is. After it, we have to write the verb. What is the verb? Write. But here we have to write third form of the verb. A letter is written by Raman. This sentence is in passive voice. Passive voice. Look here. Object, it is your new subject. But we write object so that you could understand it. Plus is, am, are plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. In negative sentence, we do not write a letter. What is the structure of this sentence? Subject plus do does plus not plus first form of the verb plus object. How can we change into passive voice? A letter is not written by us. Object plus is AMR plus not plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. But you should know here pronoun was in nominative case because it was used as a subject. But now when we use it as an object, then we use it in objective case. I will tell you. Nominative case, nominative, ऑब्जेक्टिव और पॉजिटिव, ये केस हैं. जैसे वी, अस, आवर, ही, हिम, हिज, दे, देम, देयर, सो ऑन. When we write pronoun as a subject, then we use it into nominative case. But when we use it as an object, we use it as an objective case. Interrogative sentence. Do you pluck the flower? Do you pluck the flower? Is a flower plucked by you. In this way, you should know that we are to use auxiliary according to our new subject. Here our subject was plural, so we had used plural auxiliary. But now our subject is singular, so we have used plural singular auxiliary verb. Okay, what is the structure? In active voice, do, does plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object plus question mark. But in passive voice, is plus object plus verb की थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस by plus subject plus question mark. If the sentence is second type of interrogative sentence, for example, why do you sing a song? Then what we have to do? Why we have to copy it. Why is a song sung by you? In the same way, question word plus is plus object plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject plus question mark. In this way, you can change active voice into passive voice. After it, I will tell you present continuous tense, that will be told you in my next lecture. Thanks.